Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up the targeting for your first campaign. So, in order to create a campaign, you click plus new and then you have to type in the function title. Let's say we're looking for a barista. You can give the name here and create campaign. So as you can see, there are 4 steps in the campaign creation process, of which targeting is the first one. As you can see, some information is already pre-filled, such as the function title, which you gave in the first pop-up to create the campaign. Then we will select the company's brand name for which we would like to advertise. In this case, I will select Central Perk Coffee. You must also select the function type that you can choose from a list of categories. So let's say we want, for the barista, we want someone from hospitality, and then we choose a bartender, as is the category that matches the function type the closest. So what's important to know that the function type you give in here will be used to determine which people to target on the social media. This will never be completely strict, but more of the captured data from social media users, such as search behavior or their social media behaviors, which pages do they follow, which posts do they like, which posts do they share. All that information is gathered and stored, and then we try to target those people that have the highest chance of being interested in a function as a barista. So it's important to note that we really target based on online behavior and not on people that are actually bartenders only. Then you also must select the language of the campaign, which for now is English, which is fine, but we can also select from the list in case you want to do your campaign in another language. And the language you choose here will be used in some of the next steps in the creation process. For example, in the advertising vacancy page and application form, there will be some text already in the correct language. Then you have also the option to select a number of years of required experience from the candidate. Then again, it's also not entirely strict on the number of years of experience a person has to target on, but we really target on the online behavior that is known for social media users and to find people that have more or less experience in the job market. So let's say we want to find someone that has 3 to 5 years of experience. Then finally, you also need to select the location in which you want to do the campaign. And ideally, this is the location where the candidate will work the most. So let's say you want to do this in New York City. Then you can select that and choose the region. Maybe you want to increase the range or decrease the range a bit, but then you can specify in which region you would like to target your campaign. Once you're all set, make sure to hit save and then you're ready to go to the next step, which I'll explain in another video. Of course, if you have any more questions or would like to have more information about some of the options and restrictions regarding targeting, make sure to check out our Help Center button in the right, where you can find a lot of answers to questions you may have and also get some support.